Today, we're in the kitchen for the ultimate showdown, spaghetti versus mac and cheese. Two comfort food legends. Who will win? Let's get cooking.
First up, spaghetti, a classic Italian dish. We'll start with a simple yet delicious tomato sauce. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium-sized pan over medium heat. Add minced garlic to the pan, stirring it gently. Once the garlic is golden and fragrant, it's time for the tomatoes. You can use canned crushed tomatoes or fresh, depending on what you have. Seasoning with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Let that simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes to let the flavors come together.
Now, let's switch gears to mac and cheese, the ultimate comfort food. First, we'll make our macaroni. Cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes until al dente, then drain and set aside. While the pasta cooks, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once it's melted, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux. Stir constantly to avoid lumps. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking as you go. Bring it to a gentle simmer and watch it thicken. This is the base of your creamy cheese sauce. Now for the best part, cheese. Add in about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and stir until smooth and creamy.
The tomato sauce is looking great. Now let's cook the spaghetti. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and add your pasta. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes until it's nice and al dente.
Our cheese sauce is perfectly creamy. Now let's add the cooked macaroni into the sauce and mix it all together.
Let's add the spaghetti to the sauce, tossing it to coat all the spaghetti. If you saved some pasta water, this is the time to use it. Just add a little to get the perfect consistency. A little Parmesan and basil on top for that finishing touch.
And for the mac and cheese, we'll add a sprinkle of extra cheese and a dash of black pepper on top.
Both dishes are incredible in their own right. Spaghetti brings that classic Italian flavor,
While mac and cheese delivers all the creamy, cheesy goodness we crave. It's a tough choice, but I think you'll have to decide based on your mood. Comfort food at its best.
So, what's your pick? Are you team spaghetti or team mac and cheese? The battle may never end, but one thing's for sure. They're both winners in the kitchen